What's going on, guys? River right here, Eastman Lake. It's around 97 degrees. Water temp's around, say, about 85. Getting backed up into the lake right now. Water is extremely low. Got smoky clouds or smoky conditions. The sun, bright orange. Water is very, very low. Got the jumbo minnows, around 2 dozen and a half. And yeah, we'll see you there. Alright, people. Today we got. Ooh, these are big. Dang, these are big ones. Oh! Well, that one kind of got away. Ugh, it feels weird. Let's see what we got today. Hey. Super strong. Nice little shiner. Hey, kick it, yo. I'd say these are what, 1.5 inches? Hook them through the lips. There you go, perfect minnow. That's how he looks in the, ooh, straight down into the water. Try to turn us, yeah?
Turn it?
Yeah, to the left.
No, go ahead, because it's going to be harder for me to turn us because we're already facing our nose in the wind.
Alright. Let's see how the water. Oh! First cast! First cast, baby! First cast, no way.
For sure?
Yep, for sure. Yep, that's a fish.
Yeah!
Oh, it's fighting nice too.
You're out control the boat.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah!
Yes, sir. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh my god!
No way! No way!
Oh my god!
This can't be a new PB. That was first cast. There's no way. There's no way. There was no way that was first cast. Dude, this might be my new PB.
Where's the scale at?
Oh my gosh. Oh, gave him a little nose piercing.
Oh my god. Are you recording?
Yeah, I got it. Let's see. Yes, sir! First cast! Let's go! First cast. No way! Off the jumbo minnow.
There, put him in there.
Put him in where?
Oh, shoot.
Now we have the live well bucket.
You gotta let him go.
Stop. Through the lips, guys. Never through the body.
Nice fish, Jam. Nice way to start the night off.
That's local boys right there. What are you talking about?
Demon son.
Maybe second cast? Hopefully. God will bless me. Ooh. Oh! I seen that. I seen that. I seen that. I got that. Got that on camera. It's all good. At least we know. Oh, another one. Second cast. This is no way, bro. Oh! Second cast, baby. Second cast. Yep. Second cast. That's river rat right there. Nice 1.5 pounds. Second cast. I'm 2 for 2. 2 for 2. Come here, buddy. Don't hook me. Yep.
This is our spot right here, huh, Jam?
Look where I hooked him.
Perfect, 100%.
Second cast. Local boys. Follow me at River Rat. But the I is a 1. And there's 2 T's at the end. And there's only 1 R in rat. It's a nice one. Should I get a picture with that one? Yeah, give me a picture, yeah?
Catch a fish. No, no, no. We're trying to catch a fish.
Here, I'll take a selfie with it then.
Make sure we don't crash. Motor's on.
Got it. Turning us to the right. There you go. That's your boy Rat for you. Second cast, 2 for 2. 2 for 2 on fish. Take a little quick selfie.
Hey, dude, I'm about to get outfished.
Thank you, buddy. Maybe 3 in a row. If God will bless me. Look at that. Beautiful fish. And let's get the release on him. Real good release on him. Oh, he is ready. Good fish, man. Second cast. Well, actually, I've caught one more before this, but I just caught one right now. And then my dad doubled up, baby.
Double up, baby.
These are little twins, but
Local
he got.
boys got our
All right, ready?
in the house.
Toss them in, yeah?
Local boys fish. 1, 2, 3. Nice.
Ah! It's on the hook. All right. I think the battery's on like, I don't know, 20. But I don't know when I'm gonna have another day like this.
I'll roll that camera until it dies.
Tight line. Got freaking tight line from that monster rock. The Schmady pound rock. Dwayne the Rock. Chris Rock. Oh! He got a nice one. He got a nice one. He got a nice one. I have it. I have it. Oh, he's a nice one. Oh. About 1.5 pounds. Can't reel it up anymore. Beautiful color. Hey, hey. Turn us to the left.
Caught up to you.
Nah. You got 3.
Hold on.
Turn us to the left, bro.
Hold on.
It's a nice one.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Got about status. Got about status.
Ooh.
Ooh, I kicked him for real.
I was literally messing around. See,
He attacked it.
yeah. I wasn't even looking at my bobber. I was looking at my bait. Ow. Dude just freaking hooked me. That's crazy. That bass just rolled up. Oh, do not go in the... Do not go in there, bro.
Don't let him go in there.
It's already in. Oh, got out. Hey, go, go, go. Dad. Oh, 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 right in front of us. Oh, 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 oh. I was fixing my, oh, I wasn't even paying attention. Let's go. Yee-hoo! Ouch. That hurt. Look, look, right on the lip. Right on top of the lip.
Dude, you gotta weigh that guy.
Nah, he's not a PB. All right, stop, please. Sorry. Put my foot on you. Kick it. Kick it, homie. Ah, yeah, baby. Give him a little nose piercing. Work with the barb. That's what 1R told me.
Shout out to Kicking Their Bass TV. Shout out to One Rod, One Reel. Asian people on the rise. Woo, woo.
Asian invasion is what he says.
It's a nice fish.
Ugh. Oh!